Hey guys, welcome back to my channel with Royal Styles. And with this unit, I'm going to be using 26 inches of deep wave. So yeah, just stay tuned and keep up. Yes, I am making a frontal unit. Okay, a lace frontal unit with 26 inches of deep wave, like I said earlier, with black hair, natural black hair. And as you can see, I'm just going back and forth on each side to side, and then towards the top you will see me just closing it up. It's a really simple, easy, handmade unit. I'm pretty sure you guys know exactly what's going on. Just keep watching and you'll see exactly what I'm doing. And yes, I'm definitely going through the wefts with this unit as well. Not over, not under, I'm going through the weft. I just prefer to do it that way. It's flatter for me. And I'm also cutting off my wefts. I just prefer this way because it's flatter for me. Some others can do the flip over method. Sometimes I do the flip over method, but and not this particular unit. And yes, this unit is for me, not for my client. Ta-da! All done the sewing part. Next step to customizing the unit. Definitely want to color that lace with your skin complexion better. Definitely going to better. Definitely want to do this. Then I'm just going to cut off the extra black piece of the cap so that way that's not on there too. And then I'm going to flip it over, brush it down, style it, and then plug the rest of the pieces. You see here, I'm just plucking off any extra unwanted hairs off of the lace to give it more of that flesh, natural look. And I put a little bit of wrapping lotion on just to help with the curls, to set it. And you can just see how the lace styles feel. I'm just going to put it on my head just to show you can see that the wig does look as natural as possible.